I love it. I love it. Let's go. We are now positive 260. $260, man. Hi everyone. Today is today is Thursday. We are on the trade. We are trading GPBUSD. The trend is going down. The trend is going down, and then the trend is going down. There is a low over here, low, then break that low, comes up, and this is the higher low, then lower low, goes up, breaking this one, and then created a new lower low, and goes up. Every time he goes up, he didn't break this higher low. You see it? Every time he goes up, this underlined area did not break. Go and then go on, created another low here. I traded this part because when you use a Fibonacci, this is our OTE, but also there is a gap here. I don't know if he will go back, the price will go back here. Let's see. And also this is a London kill zone. This is a London kill zone, so I traded it. And then may OB din dito eh. May order block. There is an order block and also a breaker block. So it's a good back to 5 minutes. Oh yeah. Also there is a OTA, and then let's go. But I think it will get this gap here. We'll go here and then go back down. But also there is a probability that he will no longer go here. Let's see. Kumukuti tap. This is just a quick trade. Our ratio is 1:2, and then first this trade is only a scalp. Oh my god, it's going up. We are now negative 52. Okay. I think he will get this one for sure. I don't know. We are negative 70. We're positive 39. Let's go. Shush. Positive 80. Shush. Oh my goodness. Gina. Pa-cute-cute pa jud ka. We are positive 90. Oh, perfect. I love this game. We are now in London kill zone. Time check. Here in my area, the time is 2:34 a.m. My. It's going back up. It's going back up. The price is going up again. No. 1 minute ni. Red. Going back down. Oh, nice. Oh. Nice net up. For this one, anak there's a raid here and then a raid in the bottom, and then this is a nice setup. It's a turtle soup, and then there's a gap here. You see that? A gap. After he raid this low, he go back to that gap. See that? The price go back to this gap. I will color it blue. He goes back to that gap and then go back down. So nice. What time is it? 2:36. Perfect. I love it. We are now positive $96. Positive $100. Let's go. I love it. Sakto high. Positive $140. Oh. Positive 160. Positive 170. Thank you, Lord. Go. Watay kape. Sa untaman eh. Gikan sa trabaho nga. Hindi ka upe. By the way, guys, gikan kong trabaho. We are from work. My work for today is just 6 hours, from 6:30 to 12:30. And then it's so perfect because we can trade for the London kill zone. And when I scan the market, I see this perfect trade setup. So I saw a opportunity here to trade. So I get the trade. This is 1:2 trade. I can make it 1:1, but we will do 1:2. My risk here is just 0.5%. Yeah, 0.5%. Come on, let's go. My kids are sleeping besides me. As you can see, this is their bed. They're sleeping right now, and I'm so saba. Kisa may di mo saba ano? Lami king sit up oh. Kaya lami kayo par. Perfect. Let's go. I love it. I love it. Let's go. We are now positive 260. $260, man. Akin ka. What? 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 Where are you going, man? Just go down already. Just go down already, dude. We are back to positive 70. Just a moment ago, we are positive 240. But now we are back to 70. We're back to 135. Oh, love it. 160. 175. So nice. The price respected this breaker block here. What's the other name of Great Britain pound? Down. We are positive 205. Let's go. We are positive to 70. Break it. Break it. Bias, scalper 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Liquidity raid. Liquidity raid. For the liquidity raid, or London session. PDRA liquidity raid, PDRA confluence. Yes, we traded at the discount area. We trade ta sa discount area. And then market structure shift. Yes, it is a market structure shift. Because I don't know if it is a market structure shift, but it's going down. Oh, take profit na par. Congratulations. Ano ng take profit gagi. Nice. Wala pa mo take profit ang gagi. TP. Congratulations. Lami So that's it. Our profit for this morning, early morning. Even though rest, di pa tayo nakapag-rest, naka-profit naman. It's worth it. Thank you, Lord. And PDRA confluence, what I mean for that is nung dito pa, when the price is here and it's going up, I used a Fibonacci. So this area is, and that area is the 50%. So above that is a, what's this, a premium. This, below this is a discount. So when we trade, when we sell, when we trade short, we need to trade when the price is at the premium area, and then I buy on the gap and the OTE, the optimal trade entry, the ICT style, ICT strategy. And then it goes down. Our ratio is 1:2, and for this trade, uh, for this trade, 5 profit is $503. Oh man, this is so nice. This is my trade for this week. I will not trade on Friday, and in New York I will not trade in New York today. I just traded today in the London kill zone, and that's it. I'm done for this week. That's my profit for this week, and see you again on next week. Peace, and may God bless you all. Have a good day today, and hope you do all well. Love you all, guys. Bye.